It's a 2003 Chevrolet Tahoe. Advanced safety features, a refined cabin, and towing capability make this Tahoe the perfect combination of comfort and versatility. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Vortec engine, dual zone climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, driver memory seats, 10-way driver seat control, Bose sound system, aluminum wheels, 10-way front passenger seat control, and front heated leather bucket seats. Canadian Driver highlights the improved ventilation and faster air recirculation as one of the notable unseen benefits of the new Tahoe. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At Rochester Car Clearance Center, you get our best price, bottom line.
We are conveniently located on Highway 14 West, near West Circle Drive.